quick video today about how to prepare your car for the winter. Aside from putting it up and putting a full tank of gas in there, putting a cover on it, you need to protect it from rodents. I just got this thing put back together and I don't want to have to buy a whole new wiring harness after the end of the winter. So how are you going to protect your car from rats without, harming other wildlife or your own dogs? Well, this is the trick right here. You take one box of Jiffy and one box of baking soda, you mix it 50-50, you put it back in the box, and then you put it in the garage. What happens is when the rats eat these, the baking soda, bicarbonate of soda, creates gas inside their innards, and they don't have the ability to expel that, and they eventually perish from that. You have dead rats laying around, and wildlife or your own pets won't be injured by any kind of poisons that they might have if they come across those. So I'm going to go ahead and mix these up, and then we'll put them in the garage. All right, so when you're laying these out, you're going to put them in the edges and the corners. The rats are going to come in from around the openings in your garage door and whatnot, and they always run along the corner of the room. So just put one of these out. You can even just leave it open like that. You can lay it on its side, put it however you want it. Just make it inviting for them to find, so that if they come across it, they'll engorge themselves, and then that'll be the last thing that they ate. All right, so that's my quick trick for winterizing your garage. Here in Al's garage, you can see I got it back there. Just waiting for someone to come and have a bite. Once they eat that, about 6 to 10 hours later, there will be less of a rat. Anyway, that's all I got for you. Check back later.